Hey YouTube, it's Jody with the event wrap up. This last event I did, it was on July 14th. It was a wedding for Mr. and Mrs. Elbert Johnson. They initially came to me for event decor and ended up bringing me on as the planner as well. This was the first outdoor wedding that KME has done. It was it was hot outside. It's July, but it was beautiful. It was up against the fountain. I'll be posting pics as I get them. But it was beautiful. It was up against the fountains. It was a nice day, and it's always great to see two people in love finally get them down the aisle once you work with them for several months. The decor for the reception, which was held in the clubhouse of Swamp Memorial Golf Course, it was very fun. It was light. We had she had different colors, of course, for her wedding. We had some hot pink accents, sage, canary, cream. It was roses, lilies, pink baby's breath everywhere. It was really nice. The client had a very, she came in with, headstrong, knowing exactly what she wanted. She had a string quartet that performed during the ceremony, which was a brilliant touch. They did all of the, they did all of the music. The reception, it was set up as, elegant, still kind of keep it light and airy because, we didn't want to overwhelm the space because it was a smaller space. The food was great. It was by Steam's Catering. I'll probably be working with her again in the future. But other than that, it was great. Everyone, they braved the heat. It was nice. It was a great day for a wedding. I'll be posting pictures soon, and I guess now it's on to the next event. Bye.